Diwali. Diwali or Deepavali is one of the biggest Hindu festivals celebrated across India. People worship goddess Lakshmi to bless them with wealth and prosperity in their lives. The people clean their houses on this day and also worship God Ganesh on this day so that they can commence new work with positivity. People decorate their houses with clay lamps and electronic lightings. People making rangoli decorations with colored powder, flour are very popular on Diwali. Children burn firecrackers and enjoy with their friends. We eat sweets and share gifts with our friends and neighbors. Diwali is the festival when families and friends unite together and spread the message of brotherhood, love and unity.